Hey everyone, I'm Hark from SSW. Welcome to EagleEye installation guide. I will walk you through how to install EagleEye. But before we hit install, we need to fulfill some prerequisites and some setup steps. Let's jump in. So now you see I am on prerequisite section on EagleEye docs. We need 4 prerequisites to fulfill. Number 1, Azure subscription. This is what EagleEye will use to deploy all your Azure resources. Azure AD Tenant. This is where all your users will live. Azure OpenAI Quota. So EagleEye will use this quota to do some email analysis using the AI model. And at last, custom domain, which is optional. So EagleEye ships with a nice web portal through which you can run some scans and do a bunch of other things. So you can either use the default domain which EagleEye provides to access the portal, or you can also provide your custom domain. After we fulfill these prerequisites, we can move to step 1, which is Azure setup. So now I am on step 1, which is Azure setup. First of all, we need to register these Azure resource providers. EagleEye will deploy a bunch of resources in your subscription, but whether your subscription is allowed to deploy those resources is dependent on these resource providers. So this is the list of all the required resource providers you need to register. To register, you can follow this Microsoft documentation. You will see there are a couple of ways you can register. You can either use the portal, and if you're familiar with command line, you can go to Azure CLI and use this register command and change the name of the resource provider you want to register. So after we register the resource providers, the next step is to get your Azure Tenant ID. I'm going to click on this Azure portal, and then I'm going to split the screen so that it is easier to follow the documentation. I'm going to close everything else. And you will see, so on the left side, these are my docs, and on right side, this is my Azure portal. So in the search bar, I will search for Entra. I'm going to click on this one, and then I will click on Manage Tenants. Manage Tenants. So if you have multiple tenants, you will see here, I only have one. So I'm going to click on this one, and I will copy this tenant ID, and I'm going to paste it in my temporary nodes. Let's go back. After getting your tenant ID, the next step is to get the Azure group name. So EagleEye needs a group to perform email analysis, and also all the members of the group will have access to EagleEye portal. So you can either create a new group or you can use existing one. So if you want to create a new group, you can follow this Microsoft guide, but I will use an existing one. So to use the existing one, again, go to your Azure portal, search for groups, and then you can find the group you want. So I have already created a group, Northwind EagleEye group, and I'm gonna copy this group name and paste it in my notes. So that's it for this video. We make sure we fulfilled all the prerequisites, then we register all the resource providers, then we got our tenant ID, and at last we copied our group name. In the next video, I will walk you through step 2, which is app registration. Thanks for watching. This was Hark from SSW. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.